Hello, welcome to DIY Pro. So I'm going to give you a brief backstory before I go right into the video. I chatted this salon up to ask how much it was to retouch my hair, and these people opened their mouth to tell me 5,000 naira. For what? 5,000 naira? I'd rather use that amount to braid my hair or to fix. Anyway, I went to the supermarket now, trust me, and I got this olive oil relaxer for 1,300. I'm sure if you enter inside the market, it'll be like 1,000 naira. Right, so it's very important that you read the instruction of any products that you want to use. These things differ. So for my hair, I could be leaving it for 20 minutes and it's so hot, and you cannot even leave it for 5 minutes before it damages your hair. So it's very, very important that you read the instruction on any pack, not just relaxer, whatever product you want to use in this life. Try as much as possible to read the instruction. And this is very simple. What you need is a plastic container to mix number A and B. You need rubber band, you need combs, you need gloves, you need spatula. Spatula comes with the box. Actually, shampoo, conditioner also comes with the relaxer. So I had some extra things for my hair treatment, like the mega hair conditioner, and then that's ellipsis. I think it's called ellipsis. Yeah, I think it's called ellipsis. Yeah, so what you do first is to open number A and B and just turn it into a plastic container. Plastic, not metal, please. Plastic. And because it is your money, please squeeze every content in that thing. Squeeze it out. Yeah, and then you just want to turn till it doesn't have any lump in it. Yeah. And also you need to protect your edges. You can use the regular Vaseline. That's the any petroleum jelly would do, but I prefer to use coconut oil. I don't know why. I honestly do not know why, but I just feel that coconut oil suits my own edges properly. And next, you want to divide your hair so that you'll be able to apply the relaxer correctly. You pat it so the relaxer can get into every corner of your hair. This is not compulsory, but it is necessary so that you can get as much as required relaxer into the hair. Next, you want to secure your palm or your hand, your palm actually, with this plastic glove. The plastic glove comes with the box of relaxer, so you can use the rubber band just to secure it, to put the glove in place, and then you go right into the application. Just watch carefully how I applied mine. It is very necessary to be gentle with this application. Try as much as possible not to scratch your scalp even before you start to apply this relaxer. And while applying it, please be gentle. Be gentle with your hair, be gentle with your scalp. You don't want to lose your hair. You don't want to, cause irritation on your scalp. You don't want to get injured. So just, be very, very careful with this application. Please finish your products. It's your money. It's your money. Finish it. I must mention that this relaxer was very sufficient for me. Very, very. I call it the value pack because I mean I got 100% value for my money with this relaxer. So next you want to comb gently. Please, you have to be very gentle. While waiting for your hair to get relaxed, I encourage you to put that time to productive use. So you can wash your comb, wash the plastic you use, wash your clothes, clean the house, because you're going to be leaving it for about 20 minutes. I left mine for 20 minutes because of the kind of hair that I have. Yours could be less, but I don't think it should be more. I don't think it should be more than 20 minutes. Please, if you don't feel comfortable with this thing on your hair for too long, wash it off. Even if it has not gotten to the time you're supposed to wash it away, please wash it off if you feel uncomfortable with the product on your hair. But generally, olive oil is a very mild product. This is the shampoo and conditioner that came in the box. Olive oil, shampoo and conditioner. And this is clearly proof that you can do this all by yourself. You don't need help to do this. Just bend your head over a running tap and you're able to get all the products off your hair and then wash your hair properly. I'm using a plastic cap, also known as shower cap, here because it was instructed to use the shower cap after applying the conditioner. I washed the conditioner after 30 minutes. I washed it thoroughly and then dried with a towel, hair towel, not your body towel. Yeah, if you don't have a hand dryer, it's fine. Your fan can do the work, or even sun, or just leave it to dry by itself. Yeah, very relaxed. This part of this video is optional. Of course, you should moisturize your hair after relaxing it, so it doesn't have to be mega growth hair leave-in conditioner. It could be any hair cream at all. Just make sure that you don't leave your hair dry, and comb to your preferred style. Use any treatment you want. Some people use placenta, some people use ori. Whatever treatment you want to use, you can actually use at this point. That's the treatment I used for mine. It's just a heat protector oil, nothing special, and it was my first time using it. I'm going to put the name down in the description box. I think I bought that pack for maybe 600. The summary of this video is that I saved more than 5,000 naira because they were going to relax my hair for 5,000 naira without the relaxer. And of course, if I was getting the relaxer at their salon, it would definitely not be for 1,300. I probably might be buying it for 2,500. So I saved a lot of money, and you should also learn to save this kind of monies. You know, it's very, very unnecessary to relax your hair for 5,000 naira. For what now? I better go. Relax, I no do pass this one now. I salon no do pass this one now. Anyway, this is a list of the products I used. Yeah, that heat protector thing is called Ellipse. Yeah, very important to read the instructions. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share for more of this kind of videos. Bye.